We are pleased to show you the 2025 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, push button start, power outlet, console, floor mats. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.